Badi badi baram bambara, bere bere bere, badi badi baram bambara, bere bere bere, bambara, para para. Badi badi baram bambara. Bere bere bere, badi badi baram bambara, bere bere bere, bere bere bere. Oh, Nigeria na my country, oh. Nigeria na my country, oh. That my papa place, na my motherland. Nigeria na my country, oh. Na my papa place. Na my motherland. Nigeria na my country, oh. You na dey pretend to repair am, whereas you na dey destroy Nigeria. Me I no go gree, oh. Nigeria na we, oh. You na dey pretend to repair am, whereas you na dey destroy Nigeria. Me I no go gree, oh. Nigeria na we, oh. Oh! Nigeria na my country, oh. Nigeria na my country, oh. Na my papa place, na my motherland. Nigeria na my country, oh. Na my papa place, na my motherland. Nigeria na my country, oh. You na dey pretend to repair am, whereas you na dey destroy Nigeria. Me I no go gree, oh. Nigeria na we own. You na dey pretend to repair am, whereas you na dey destroy Nigeria. Me I no go gree, oh. Nigeria na we own. Oh! Pere pere pere, ha ha. Oyibo where rule us before, Oyibo where you na dey, oh.
We say we no want Oyibo, we go take care of ourselves.
Oyibo where rule us before, Oyibo where you na dey, oh.
We say we no want Oyibo, we go take care of ourselves.
Military hooker, soldier where you na dey, oh.
We say we no want soldiers, we want democracy.
Military hooker, Muritala where you na dey, oh.
We say we no want soldiers, we want democracy.
Civilian when we say we want you, na their own then they buy big houses abroad, then they ride in third class every weekend in Jamas party, na their own then they. Civilian when we say we want you, na their own then they buy big houses abroad, then they ride in third class every weekend in Jamas party, na their own then they. Nigeria na my country, oh. Nigeria na my country, oh. Na my papa place, na my motherland. Nigeria na my country, oh. You na dey pretend to repair am, whereas you na dey destroy Nigeria. Me I no go gree, oh. Nigeria na we, oh. You na dey pretend to repair am, whereas you na dey destroy Nigeria. Me I no go gree, oh. Nigeria na we, oh. Dila!
Oh boy, which one be this you no go gree? Na you dey gree, you dey for power, you get television house, radio house, abi you get newspaper.
You know say no matter how tree old, e go old reach, e no go ever old like the soil or the ground where e dey. Abi you know that this country of military stroke democratic government? I hereby represent the 85% Nigerians wey no gree. Even if 50% Nigerians gree, I represent the masses, 85 Nigerians wey no gree.
I hear say you say military stroke democratic government. Which one be that?
Oh sure. Abi na my mouth you go hear say people when they accuse say they kill Bola Ige, they don release them. You know that this country, everywhere in the whole world, is either that they practice democratic government or military government. But our own country, Nigeria, they practice both together. They go do democratic stroke military government. You know say democratic government na the government wey supposed to carry people along. Before they do anything, they go sit, everybody go sit down. They go say, see wetin they want to. You not agree before they announce am. Na that one they call democratic government. Why military? That one na by decree. God, whether you like it or not. If you no gree, if you gree, na be God. But our own country, Nigeria, na democratic stroke military government that they run together. What a shame.
When government start, I hear big oyibo for television, radio, plus newspaper. Wetin dis oyibo mean? ICPC and EFCC.
You know, when this government starts for Nigeria, they form ICPC, which means they say any person wey corrupt, no matter who you be, from up reach ground. If you corrupt, those people go try you, take you go to court. Otherwise, they go jail you. But till today, ICPC no convict anybody, they no jail anybody. All these our governors when they hide, everybody when they pack money, thief money, nobody they jail till tomorrow. Then the other one when they call EFCC, now the ones when they say they made them they arrest, they catch 419 and all these bad people. Nobody they don't convict, nobody they don't jail.
What of NEPA?
Oh, Nigeria we hate it. NEPA, you know say when our president enter power 1999, he say year 2000 to year 2002, they no go seize light again. When some other countries they celebrate 13 years of uninterrupted power supply, but Nigeria no go fit celebrate 1 hour of uninterrupted power supply. Even NEPA papa wey dey for our place, they no dey do anything. They go bring light 1 hour in the afternoon. They go seize the light throughout in the night when they don't plan with armed robbers. NEPA, NEPA.
What of water board?
Hey, water board. All the water wey our colonial fathers do that time when oyibo do. If you check till now, places where water be there that time, water no dey again. Water no dey again. They know they do water board don die kpatakpata. Oyibo where rule us before, oyibo where you na dey oh.
Say we no want oyibo, we go take care of ourselves.
Badi baram bambara. Bere 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 bere. Ah.
What of FEMA? Whether na FEMA.
Oh, you mean all those people when they do roads, when change PTF? You know say PTF be they do roads. When they call cancel PTF, they can't do this one, whether na FEMA, whether na FAMA. That's what they call them. Make they do roads, operation 500 roads. They don't change that now, they say operation 1,000 roads. Where the roads they? Where they do they put? All these people know they do roads. They pass roads. Pass the road, they even square the roads more. No roads. No new good roads where they don't do for this government. Which which government be this sef? Me I no know. Na democratic stroke military government. Na one for you now. How you see this government of petroleum? Government of petroleum, they are not the answerable for that one. You know say our president, na him be minister of petroleum. When he enter office, he come in petrol for Pueke. He say, hey, poor Nigerians in a don die. Common mineral when be say they go just put sugar, put water, they go dey sell am for 25 naira. That was the time when mineral dey for 25 naira and petrol dey 22 naira. Petrol when they take waka, when they take do business, do everything be 22 naira. May you not see now, na beer price, na beer price. Now we dey pursue now. Well, fellow Nigerians, may you not take heart until we meet beer price. May you not expect all these people to stop to dey increase this petrol because na there they look, na there they look. Wetin wonder me pass, they compare our fuel price with America. America when we say the least paid America, they earn more than our professor for Nigeria, and everything they work for America. That's why our refinery they work today. They say our refinery don't die, pata. Instead, when they for repair our refinery, all these people prefer to they import fuel from their private refineries. Now only God's judgment now to stop all this corruption for this country, Nigeria. Because I believe that my country, they ain't corrupt pass for the whole world. Shame on you now. Oh, waiting pepper me for body pass. This country, Nigeria, don't know how to fight. Nigerians don't know how to fight for their rights. If not for labor and students, so all these people, they say NSC is unconstitutional. Office of Oshomole is illegal. Why we say we know they pass the bill of all these people, these governors, when they thief our money, so that they feel try them when they day office. Now labor is unconstitutional. Useless people. You know they pretend to repair am, whereas you know they destroy Nigeria. Me I no go gree o, Nigeria na we o. Comrade Oshomole, Comrade Adams Oshomole, I beg may you no relent. All the masses of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, they behind you. God go bless you. Stand for the truth, and the truth will always set us free. Amen. Oyibo where rule us before, Oyibo where you na dey o.
We say we no want Oyibo, we go take care of ourselves.
Before I forget, what do you think say they cause all those wahala for us? You know say since we start this presidential system of government, na two we don't get. And you know say anything when person no expect he get am, he dey overshaka. The first one na be Shehu Shagari, when we dey look for Senate, where come get president. Just like Asatiku we governor, where come be vice president. And Obasanjo be dey inside prison. When they pray make they release am make it go water farm, they come make am president. I don't go happy like monkey wey see banana. That's why you know they listen to anybody. Well, fellow Nigerians, next time this na lesson to una. Next time, may we not dey elect, may we no select again. To my understanding, government supposed to be service to the people, not be to punish the people. Oh yeah, oh. Now God go judge you now. You know they pretend to repair am, whereas you know they destroy Nigeria. Me I no go gree o, Nigeria now we go. We want deregulate, we want privatize. Wetin you know they deregulate, wetin you know they privatize. Every year they budget billions, trillions. Where this money they enter, after they remove salaries and few other services, the rest they go individual pockets. And all these people, when they in charge of this military so democratic government, all the way from 1960, now they hold the money and nobody they question them, nobody they ask them how they come about all these riches. Every day people they die of hunger and starvation. Students come out from school, they know they see work, no employment. Which kind of country be this? Country where person no fit win election on merit. The more money you have to spend, the better the chances of your winning. Badi badi bara bambara, bara babara bambara, badi badi bara bambara, bara babara bambara, babara bara bara. Why if he say if government do something, for example industry they won't sell, nobody dey gree buy. Make I come to my state, Edo State of Nigeria. The fruit industry when they up, the one when they say they do for Auchi, Uromi and the Ikpeshi, you see, nobody they interested. Because if all these people construct, they go overload them. Something of 1 naira, they say they take 20 naira to am. Shame on you now. Civila, where we say we want you, not their own day. They buy big houses abroad. Then they write in TEDx every weekend, pajamas party. Not their own day. Food, you know they house, you know they water, you know they employment, you know they food, you know they water, you know they employment, you know they you know they anything. As soon as they enter black motor, na their own day. As soon as they enter black motor, na their own day. Black motor, na it they use.
As soon as they enter black motors, na their own day.
Black tinted motors, na it then they use.
As soon as they enter black motors, na their own day.
Even if you wave your brother, if he dey answer you, you no know.
As soon as they enter black motors, na their own day.
Oga Tafa Balogun, I wan report some people to you. When they say they don cancel toll gate, this police toll gate wey don plenty for everywhere, their own dey tear pass the former toll gate o. Abi dem dey take that one repair roads? Abeg o.
As soon as they enter black motors, na their own day.
Badi badi bara bambara. Otola sale o, abiagwa enora hiwa. Ono pwena zilo pwipawa, nenikeguno. Otola sale, abiagwa enora hiwa. Ono pwena zilo pwipawa, nenikeguno. Ayepani wa vweni pegona leto akevo. Ayepa shisha vona seva yeto akevo. Igege miege pini mabema ayane bielo. And if ever you get so me na everybody 207. Sesegbe musa tu ale musa oni gbeye orani piga bi egbegba lo aki gbeye sesegbe musa tu ale musa oni gbeye agbagunke na revie egbegba ye agbo gagbi na revie egbegba ye agba tamugogo na revie egbegba ye agu mome na revie egbegba ye sesegbe musa tu ale musa oni gbeye melo pigane igege lo le fe o. Okiri male emesomi emesomi ogogome o. Emesomi ilikele. Emesomi egogome o. Emesomi ilikele. Oga somi no bisema o. Egbe ngume o. Afe my division gamo. Egbe ngume o. Bagada ilege tege. Egbe ngume o. Bagada ilege tege. Egbe ngume agbo o. Afe my division. Wati matoma o. Wati matoma. Utoma ge pabo o. Afe my division. Wati maragu yauchi. Wati matoma o. Utoma ge pabo. Afe maye. Wati maguge mo mi egbe o. Maguge mo re. Ene wale o gemo o. Afe my division. Wati maguge mo mi egbe. Wati magwere o. Ene wale o gemo. Afe my division. It's a magi gonna o. Afe my division o. It's a magi gonna. Akpare nedo o. Igela o. Akpare nedo. Igela ye. Bọ̀dá yẹn ni máa yé pépé ige pa o. Bọ̀dá yẹn ni máa yé pépé eke mie. Ọ̀nà kàrẹ́nà ti gàdúbà àríwí àmúlò mi ọ̀rọ̀ e. Ọ̀nà kàrẹ́nà ti ti o àfẹ́ máa ti fi ṣẹ̀rẹ́jẹ o. Wá ti máa gbẹ̀nà kúre. Àkọ́kọ́ ẹ̀jọ̀ wá gbẹ̀nà kúre. Ọ̀ngbọ́n wá gbẹ̀nà kúre. Ẹ̀sàkọ́ wá gbẹ̀nà kúre. Wá ti máa gé àrùmí. Yẹ́ kí tẹ̀ máa gé gọ́nà o. Wá ti máa gé àrùmí. Kí tẹ̀ máa gé gọ́nà. Wati mare no ya o, nora du mara eja o. Wati mare no ya nole, kami o yo mi o. Wati mare no ya nole kulo ko twa uchi. Wati mare no ya nole koko ko twa uchi o. Wati mare no ya nora le kibi mi eje o. Wati mare no ya nole ki ma ke mo ame o. Wati mare no ya nole ki poto we mi eje, imi ega pipi ma fe ma. Aya ni o. Wherever you get so many now, everybody do so. Mayo palo ki manager, oragi manager lo wasifa. Okay, you win edere. Palo ki manager, oragi manager lo wasifa. Okay, you win edere. Take pabo, odekwe na lore yo. Uware pe ura mo ipe. Tuare gbara si dúpẹ́. Ìpapọ̀ ọdẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀nà àlọ́rẹ́ yọwọ́. Uwalẹ̀ gbé fura àwọn ìpẹ́. Tuare gbara si dúpẹ́. Amasegba ló máa nínú kí egba o. Ugara kí egba yé. Aloma o, amasegba aloma, nena ki egba o, ugara hibie, paso aloma, tu asegba aloma, ukeki konegbe, tu asegba aloma o, ukeki konegbe o. Ìpèlàgì lágàjì ọ̀nà yẹ̀dọ̀ o, àbáyọ̀rẹ̀ ràwẹ̀ ibi ni o. Ìpèlàyé o. Ilagage ono yedo abayore rawe ibini ogwanageri moto yedo yegi pechela kipeleye ilagage ono yedo ogwanagero kene yeko lololo ipechela kipeleye ilagage ono yedo egage yedo geyere ekele me temurere enuro gwasi fisho abobo irere egage yedo geyere Ibo date murere, enu ragwa abobo irere. Ibi omi agage yogile kese, etone gbe site yo, ikeri chakamare. Ibi omi agage yogile kese, etone gbe site, ikeri chakamare la gidi piano. Dogila ale yo ikpapo, one mo boye. Ego ne mo go Na go hear that one later. yo mi òkìlì pé na o Yusufu ye. Májọ nánà ya gbogbo. Ọ̀nàlẹ́ lọ́lọ́gìlì pé ọ̀nàna o. Ọ̀nàlẹ́ kò yóò mọ̀ yẹlé ìlì pé ọ̀nàna o Yusufu òdodo. Barrister Yusufu, lawyer Yusufu, orí àgbẹ̀dẹ náà yé wèkó, Yusufu ìwé ìmọ̀ yé. Barrister Yusufu, lawyer Yusufu yé, orí àgbẹ̀dẹ náà yé wèkó, Yusufu ìwé ìmọ̀ yé. Chairman, League of Patriotic Youth, so beautiful rail of Afemaland, Relo Kumaye, Bimoye, Relo Kuma of Afemao, beautiful rail of Saladio, Yusufu, Barrister Yusufu ye, Oya Pede, Oremo Keke. Chairman yo, A1 Hotels. Chairman yo, A1 Petroleum. Chairman yo, A1 Properties. Chairman yo, League of Patriotic Youth, international figure, property guru, Yegwegwe. Onagi Sarah Mwisomio, Mrs. Sarah Ni Yamu. Sarah o, ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́mọ́ kéke. Ọ̀nà súnmí woman yo. Sarah ni ẹ̀kún bí gbègé. Oyinbi ni o. Ọ̀pọ̀tò nọ́lẹ́gbẹ̀ lọ o. Ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́mọ́ kéke. International business woman yo. Americana ìmọ̀ yé. Sarah o. Sarah Yusufu, ìmọ̀ ẹ̀ ti ya ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́mọ́ kéke. Mama Buhari, Mama Senabu, Mama Sediki o, Mama Nurue, Nuru Time o, ìyẹ́gù bí wege Buhari mẹ́ ìrẹ́ mẹ́mọ́ kéke. Barrister Yusufu, Ugalagbe, Ogena no buge neja, alo alora yaye o, oni pagbere, ene woye mo me Ugalagbe o. Yusufu nododo, Yusufu wimoye, woye mo me Ugalagbe. Yusufu, orí àgbẹ̀dẹ gugu ibegeye, woye mo me Ugalagbe. Chairman yo A1 Hotels, Orepeja Menaye. Former president yo, student union, Unibe o. Former president student union, Ena Unibe ye. Mrs. Ebu, Memunati o, ọ̀nà yé Amẹ́ríkà o, ìyọ̀pí Yusufu ìlọ́kọ̀ọ́nà o. Ebu, Mamunati o, lọ́lẹ̀ yẹlé, ọ̀nà yé Amẹ́ríkà, oyè àgbẹ̀dẹ o, ìyẹ́gùn bí wege, ìyọ̀pí Yusufu ìlọ́kọ̀ọ́nà o. Commissioner Muhammed Aminu Yusuf, Commissioner Yemi Wege, Commissioner of Police o, Ene Kaduna o, ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́mọ́ kéke. Ọ̀rẹ́ ló gbé mẹ́yà o, Ugami Egidi Kaduna o, ọ̀sẹ̀ mélòó ya, Ugami Egidi Kaduna re, Commissioner Aminu o, Muhammed Yusuf o, Yọ̀pí Yusuf. Musa Bamidele. Ibrahim o Honorary AYA GM aka o na meme o Ibrahim o ọ̀rẹ́ mo keke Ibrahim Yusuf o dododo Ibrahim o Gbemi Isa in America o Iyọ̀pí Yusuf o ìníwégé na o ìrẹ̀mẹ̀ mo keke Isa o na meme o Gbemi Shaka in UK Shaka o Iyọ̀pí Yusuf lẹ́nìkele in London Shaka o Sumala o na meme o Sumala Yusuf o Bugibege Iyọ̀pí Barrister o Iya Bugibege Sumala e o ìrẹ̀mẹ̀ mo keke Alhaji o Ọ̀nàbí Abubakar o Alhaji Yaya Ogunlẹ̀ ya nírí ayé Ubugeto nírí o Alhaji Jaya gbogbo ẹgẹrama o Yakubu Geto nírí Yaya o Yaya ìlọ́yà lẹ́jẹ̀kì nílọ́gẹ́mọ́ tàbí kọmíṣánná o Ajamu ní nọ́jà n'èlì yànnà o Ajamu ní Ugalagbe Oyesa Obulu Princess of Irua Ajamu ní o Ajamu nínú ọmọ o ìrègé Happy Bolo Zaro àpọ̀ o Lagi Erama o lọ́yà nílé ayé ìyàwó àgbẹ̀ mẹ́yẹmẹ́ o ìyàyà o ìwòye mọ́mẹ́ o ìwòye mọ́mẹ́
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
ọ̀gá náà bùgé náà bá yé ìwà ìbèrè ìwà ìmọ̀ yé
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
lọ́yà o lọ́yà kùjẹ̀kù ìwége yé.
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
Wow! Princess Rita o Ajaja of Umuneke Agolanti o Rita o Orepemume o the most beautiful girl in Delta State Rita o Ajaja o international business woman Rita o you are too much o Yẹ́wọ́dọ̀mọ́ ẹlòlùrà gbégbé Rita o you are too much o you are too much o Rita o oyún múnédé ìwége enegwu oye mọ́mẹ́ o Rita o òwì mọ́ yé
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
David mẹ́ òkè àgẹ́ lórí ìfúra o David yé.
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o. Chief Iyora of Uromi Honorable Loragwebe Chief Iyora Ubiwege Osabase one of Uromi Osabase of Uromi Honorary Boletio Boletio Mrs. Iyora Ubiwege Mrs. Iyora Ubiwege Yagi my mira yaoge, Mrs. Iyora o, you are too much o. Yagi Iyora gilore pe mume o. Osabase o na meme o, iwege ubi moye. Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
Papi jeme o, oya uchi me.
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
Papi jeme o na meme, iyegbe mira yaoge, papi jeye.
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
Ọ̀mí ẹ̀mẹ́rù la ló tẹ o, bèmí ìjárẹ̀tì o, nàmọ ẹ̀mẹ́ o.
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
Papi jẹ́mẹ̀ o, nàmọ ẹ̀mẹ́ o. Ìyẹ́gùn bí wèrè, papi jẹ́yẹ.
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
Abdul Kadiri o, Ṣáìbù e.
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
Oyi ìṣàpẹrẹ yé ìfọ̀tà ìkọ̀tù, ìmòye mọ́ mẹ́gẹ́nà o.
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà Àgbàlagbé o.
Ọ̀mí ọyọ tó máa rọ àlódẹ, ọ̀rẹ́ ló kò tọ́ máa pọ̀ dákàtì o.
Oye mọ́mẹ́ wà ọ̀kẹ́ káyà ní rí omi o ọ̀rẹ́ ló gbin rí omi o ṣàìfù Abdulkadir ṣàìfù o iná ìjọgbẹ́ ìgbìyànjú rẹ̀ pé mú mẹ́ o eléga àdúgbò yìí jàpẹ́ nítàlẹ̀ èèmọ̀ ọmọ o ìrì ìwéke náà o èèmọ̀ ọmọ o nàmọ́ ìmẹ́ o gbèmí Abdulkadir mú ṣàìfù Sulemani o oh baba gbẹ̀mí Kadiri Moses Kamaya ológe mẹ́ Kamaya mẹ́ o nọmọ imẹ́ o ìyẹ́gun bí ìwéye lóge mẹ́ o ọkọ̀ pàtúrà ọkọ̀ pàtúrà ò lè gbé dàmẹ́nà o ìtẹnumá o Christopher o obi agẹnẹbọdẹ o Christopher ìtẹnumá o ìyẹ̀kùn bí mọ̀ yé. Joy ẹ̀wọ̀ tọ́ka yé ẹ̀nà Yúróòpù yé o. Joy ẹ̀wọ̀ tọ́ka yé beauty o kùkù ìmọ̀ yé. Ọ̀nà mọ̀ èlòlò rà gbégbé o beauty o ẹ̀nà Yúróòpù o. Ọ̀nà rẹ̀ bo òtítì o style òpó. Style òpó òtítì kìyẹ́ fún bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ̀yẹ style yé o. Peter Ìgbàdúmẹ̀ ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ mẹ́ẹ̀nà lọ òpó máa yé. Peter o kò sí gẹ́gẹ́ Ìgbàdúmẹ̀ yé ìmọ̀ yé o. Mrs. Cynthia Umaru ìwége. Mrs. Cynthia Umaru ìyẹ̀kùn ìmọ̀ yé o. Olú Idris Umaru omi bí eye. Jọ̀mbú mẹ́ o ìkárí àmẹ́ o nàmọ́ ẹ̀mẹ́. Jọ̀mbú ìkárí ànàmọ́ ẹ̀mẹ́ o orí àwùjí mẹ́ o. Pascal o Jasper Lawani òbí wọ̀nyé. Ọ̀nà ya pípọ̀ lọ́lẹ̀ ká tó gbọ́ ẹ̀gẹ́ ọ̀yà o Pascal yé. Ọ̀gẹ́ náà ra bùgẹ́ náà kí o Pascal Lawani yé. Aláàjì Ṣẹ́dù o bìkà o omi ìfúga lọ o. Gbèmí ọmọ chíìfù ó yàrá o. Jòsí alẹ́ mọ́ lè ra mẹ́ o alẹ́ mọ́ òkè àná yé o. Yorùbá pín ṣé tí a rí pé pàpá ìmá o. Ìwòye mọ́ mẹ́ o ìmọ̀ níge nàmọ́ ìmẹ́ yé. Ìwòye mọ́ mẹ́ o ìmọ̀ níge nàmọ́ ìmẹ́ o. Ìkélé. Sore Musa galo alo ye wale oto ye wale oto ando Sore Musa galo alo ye wale oto Sore Musa ne soni me oyoge kondepe oro emi boge ko e wa ko nana oyoke konegbe osore musade Sunday Saliu oyoke konegbe ọ̀rẹ́mi bókè pẹ́ má gbọ́ dada oyoke konegbe yàrá ti wá òṣòyẹlẹ títí ké Sunday Saliu mẹ́ o yẹra pẹ̀lú ìyẹ̀mẹ́ o yàrá ti wá òṣòyẹlẹ títí ké Sunday Saliu mẹ́ o yẹra pẹ̀lú ìyẹ̀mẹ́ o. Alosora musaga lo alo ye uwaloto soni o uwaloto alosora musaga lo alo ye uwaloto osiore musade soni mego yoge konegbe ọ̀rẹ́ mi boge gbe ma gbe onada oyoge konegbe osiore musade Sunday Saliu oyoge konegbe ọ̀rẹ́ mi boge gbe ma gbe onada oyoge konegbe yeya ro se wa osi oyele bitike Sunday Saliu me o yera gbe oye me o. Amole sunyo kaye Sunny me ọ̀rẹ́ ló gbi mi o mi o Sunny me o amole sunyo kaye Sunny me when on the pen o yo ye Sunny me o European Sunny me ọ̀rẹ́ pen o yo mi o Sunny me o ọmọ náà kì fọ́ yóò wí Sunny me ẹlẹ́gẹ̀lẹ́ lọ́rẹ́ ló pa ìhà o Sunny me o ọmọ náà kì fọ́ gègé Sunny me pẹ̀lẹ́ kó lọ́rẹ́ ló pa ìhà Sunny me yẹ yàrá ti wá òṣèré àbúsàdé Sunday Saliu me o yẹra pé òye me o òṣèré àbúsàdé ìsọ̀ní me oyoge konegbe ọ̀rẹ́ mi bóge wẹ́ má gbọ́ nana oyoge konegbe òṣèré àbúsàdé ìsọ̀ní me oyoge konegbe ọ̀rẹ́ mi bóge wẹ́ má gbọ́ nana oyoge konegbe yẹ yàrá ti wá òṣì oyẹlẹ ritike Sunday Saliu me o yẹra pé òye me o. Behind every successful man, there is a good woman like you, Mrs. Suzaye. Behind every successful man, there is a great woman like you, Omo Igbo. Mrs. Susan, a freeborn of Abia State, Saliu ye. Mrs. Saliu, a freeborn of Abia State. A woman who cares for her husband, you are too much, oh. A woman who cares for her husband, you are too much, oh. May the Lord protect and guide you, oh. Susan, oh. Susan, yo, now you biko, Susan, yeah. Oh, Mrs. Saliu, yeah. Now you biko, oh, Susan, yo. Now you biko, Mrs. Saliu, yeah. Now you biko, a woman from Abia State. Now you biko, very, very unassuming. Now you biko, ever smiling woman. Susanna, you biko, a Londoner. Now you biko, a Malaysian wine. Susanna, you biko, Oshimiri Atata. May the Lord protect and guide you, Princess Susan. Sky is your limit. Oshimiri Atata. May the Lord protect and guide you, Princess Susan. Sky is your limit. lóyò ṣó máa yé bó ṣó máa omi òkè lọ ọmọ náà yé mi Lagos ọ̀rẹ́ ló gbé mẹ́yà o òṣó máa ń bọ̀ sí mẹ́lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ o ọmọ náà yé mi kó ọ̀rẹ́ ló gbé mẹ́yà o òṣó máa ń bọ̀ sí mẹ́lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ omi òkè lọ́kàn náà akẹ́rin wà lóṣó máa o omi akẹ́rin kó tẹ̀ lọ o ìyẹnu kàkà bọ́ ẹsẹ̀ ọ̀gẹ̀dà kìlá lómi ẹ o òṣè ayé mi ẹ̀rẹ̀ o òṣó máa yé ẹsẹ̀ lulu kan tó gbìyà yẹ́gì gbẹgbẹ́ yẹ yàgbé òṣó máa kì í ẹ̀mí ìrèké wọ́n kéré lọ́nà bọ́ àlò kéèké ọ̀pọ̀ tẹ̀nà mú èkìmọ̀ ọjọ́ yé àgbí mẹ́rin o Mrs. Oshoma ọ̀pọ̀ tó nà mú èkìmọ̀ ọjọ́ o ọ̀pọ̀ tó nà gàdọ̀ kókó wele yẹ́dẹ̀rọ̀ ọ̀nùwele àlọ́ olóye ọ̀gánà nà bùgẹ̀ nẹ́jà o pàtí Oshoma yé ìyọ̀gánà bùgẹ̀ nẹ́yẹ làbí mẹ́rin o. Clement akọ̀nà o lódodo Clement olórí akọ̀nà orí agẹ́lẹ̀ bóde kìlọ̀ ọkọ̀nà o wúra la gbé yẹ́gì mọ́ mìíràn yà oge wẹ́lẹ́ lẹ́rìí lọ́gẹ̀ kọ̀nà o akọ̀nà o ọ̀nà pàkàyà Europe ọ̀nà yẹ Europe yẹ Clemo akọ̀nà nọ̀mọ̀ ẹ̀mẹ́ o gbẹ̀mí asílẹ̀ mọ́ ìyẹ́gì wà ìmọ̀ yẹ Clemo gbẹ́nu yàgbọ́nà àlọ́ lura àyàyé Clemo agbọ́nà kìyẹ kìí mọ̀ yé o. Major Francisco Alimigena o Alimigena Gosemelo ya o Major Francis Barista Alimigena o ọmọ nọlẹ àpè ọdí ayé ọdọgbọ ẹgà pẹ ọrẹ ló gbìyànjú omi o Francisco Alimigena yé wúhálà pé gbèmí àlẹgbẹ o Peter àlẹgbẹ ìyọgẹgẹ ọmọ ya ogele àlẹgbẹ o làkí Sunday mọmọ o yẹgì yọgẹgẹ ọmọ ya ogele Sunday Saliu mẹ obi yọgẹgẹ kọnà yẹgì yọgẹgẹ ọmọ ya ogele ayé mọ o làkí tún àlejò ọ̀nà wúlọ́gọ́ mẹ́gẹ náà ní mọ ẹ̀mẹ́ o tóní o ayé mọ o ibi ẹ̀bùn àkìlì lọ sára gbọ́ ẹ ayé mọ ọ̀nàdúnrẹ́lì rọ́ọ̀sì o ayé mọ ọ̀kùnrin ìrẹ́gẹ́ ọ̀lẹ́nu mẹ́ni ìrẹ́gẹ́ ìwọ̀n ìbírẹ̀ yà ògèyè ayé mọ kìyẹ ìrẹ́gẹ́ o. Alẹ́tẹ̀ kókìá o omi bèyẹ àkókè kìyẹ ìrẹ́gẹ́ international contractor kìlọ̀gànà àkókè ọ̀rẹ́ ló kò yomi ya o Alẹ́tẹ̀ kókìá o ìyẹ́bù ìrẹ́gẹ́ ọ̀gẹ̀ line up ìmẹ̀kà yẹ àkókè wá yẹ́bù ìrẹ́gẹ́ ìyọ̀gẹ̀ line up ìmẹ̀kà o òdodo. Sandra PM ọ̀nà yẹ̀rì Europe o àwọn òkèdè pé ìrìwégé na ẹ̀pẹ́ òkèdè pé ìrìwégé Mrs. Sandra PM òkèdè pé ìrìwégé international business woman in Malaga pé ìrìwọ̀ yé o wẹ́mí Sam Chigi mọ́tò sí o.
Gbèmí Sàfídì o, Ulogi sọ ní ìgànnà o, iye kúkú ìwége. Steve Ayasi o, Steve Ayasi, Ayasi mẹ́gì iye kúkú ìwége. Ayasi o, Gbèmí Robinson ọmọ ìmẹ̀ o, ẹ̀dọ̀pá ọmọ ìmẹ̀. Chibi Kogode ìmẹ̀ o, Kogode ye, Oyera, ọtí mẹ́lò ya o. Jeneti o, Mrs. Kogode ye, Ikogode kì í ẹ̀kú ìwége o. Amọ̀lẹ́ ti yọ̀ọ̀gà ye.
Sọ́ni mẹ́.
Ọ̀rẹ́ ló bí omi o.
Sọ́ni mẹ́ o.
Ọmọ náà before you win.
Sọ́ni mẹ́.
Ẹlẹ́gẹ́lẹ́ lọ lẹ́nu pa ẹ̀ka o.
Sọ́ni mẹ́ o.
Ọmọ náà before you win.
Sọ́ni mẹ́.
Ẹlẹ́gẹ́lẹ́ lọ lẹ́nu pa ẹ̀ka o.
Sọ́ni mẹ́ o.
Yẹ̀yà ló ti wá.
Òṣèré àdùsọ̀dé.
Sunday Saliu mẹ́ o.
Yẹ̀rọ pé lórí mẹ́ o.
Yẹ̀yà ló ti wá. Òṣèré Musale o. Sunday Saliu mẹ́ o.
Yẹ̀rọ pé lórí mẹ́ o.
Na you be ko, Mrs. Uzaye.
Na you be go.
Every born of Abia State.
Sana you be go.
A woman who cares for her husband.
Na you be go.
You are too much, oh.
Sana you be go.
Very, very unassuming.
Na you be go.
A Londoner,
Sana you be go.
Americana,
Na you be go.
no Malaysia wine.
Sana you be go.
Oshimiri Atata, may the Lord protect and guide you. Princess Susan, the sky is your limit.
Osimiri Atata, may the Lord protect and guide you. Princess Susan, the sky is your limit.
Susan,
Atata, may the Lord protect and guide you. Princess Susan, the sky is your limit.
Gani o, Honorable Gani, Awudu, Bibege. Gani Awudu, Ikwere Agbota Bikore. Oh, Gani o, Gani o. Ike kwere, niri ọ̀gára ọmọ ya gele. Oh, Gani yẹ ọ̀gẹ̀ dùgẹ̀lẹ̀ re. Gweno ya Awudu, Gbèmí Pascal n'olugbo mẹ́ o. Iye fún Bibege. Gani Awudu o. Gbèmí Honorable Pascal o, Ugbo mẹ́ẹ̀dì yẹn kúkú ìwége. Obi ẹgbẹ́rì, Barrister Pascal o, Ugbo mẹ́ o, yẹn kúkú ìwége. Kẹ́hìnfì o, ọmọ ìsọ̀ ní ìgànnà, ọ̀nà yẹn rí Yúróòpù o, Kẹ́hìnfì. Kẹ́hìnfì yé, Kẹ́hìnfì o, ọ̀nà yẹn rí Yúróòpù o, kúkú ìkélé. Joshua ike ọ̀dà o. Obi jẹ́dún náà lè gbé wù mẹ́ta o. Jọ́ọ̀ṣù ọmọ ọ̀nà rẹ̀ rúwọ́ yé. Ike ọjà ìkìyẹ kúkú ìwége. Gbèmí Victor o. Victor e. Di Victor mẹ́ẹ̀márà ọmọ yà ògèlè. Sàmọ̀ pàpí o. Sàmọ̀ pàpí. Ọ̀pàpí mẹ́ẹ̀kìyẹ kúkú ìkélé. Ọ̀nà rẹ̀lì Jùlí náà sẹ́mẹ́ ló yá o. Ọ̀pàpí mẹ́ẹ̀kìyẹ kúkú èkéyé. Godwin Wada Parakoyi, Chief Anabo Ogie, Chief Gadi Anabo, Wada Parakoyi wẹ̀rẹ̀gẹ̀, Obi Fugari pé Mùmẹ́nà o, Ìkele, Mrs. Yinka o, Yinka Eliye, Dada Ina UK ye, Ìyẹ́pẹ̀mí Lawani, Michael Lawani ye, Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀mọ́gẹ̀ Jasper o, Ìwége, Yinka o, Dada o, Mrs. Dada. Ọ̀nà bọ́ọ̀gì lọ́gọ́nà kùbí mọ̀ yé. Nwobodo Arinze, Mike Nwobodo Gumwekele. Nwobodo Arinze, Grand Prince of Footballand. Nwobodo Iye Kùbí Wege. Gbèmí Karo Ojúgbò, Dr. Cairo Ye Kùbí Kele. Obi Agbọ́nà Ye Abuja, Honorable Cairo Ojúgbò, Iye Kùbí.
ṣaka mo ti lọ protect